And it goes a little something like.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy that you have joined the vlog today. It is going to be a day in my life as an esthetician. I have a facial today. Actually, I have two facials and I have a brow wax, so I'll probably record some of that. And me and my mom are going to drive together to downtown Wheaton because she's also going to lunch at the same time as my facial. So we're just going to like spread off. She'll go to lunch, I'll go to my facial, and then we'll go and get like whatever, drive and go to Nothing But Cakes, I think. But yeah, so I just want to do a little intro. We are about to leave, actually. Just grab all my stuff. Yeah, I gotta put my hair up in a claw clip so it's out of my way for when I do the facial. Let me set the bed up for my facial. Let me just go like this.
All the flowers in my garden never looked as bright as this. Like a happy child I watched them grow out of only seed.
There we go. Okay, I am doing a microderm facial. So let me grab microderm and plug it in. I still have not bought in a new one. I know I need to. I haven't yet. This one still works, so it's fine. But now I'm gonna wait for my client.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I put a dress on today, I don't care what you say. And I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you, so don't ask, I ain't coming through. 'Cause I'm running away to my own world, that's where I'll stay. When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Nothing ever stays the same, there's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with a smile on my face.
So I just finished my facial. I am calculating my totals for the month, and I need to just like pick this up a little bit. Put this, actually I didn't even use this. Let me scrub this for now. And I will put that in there to be washed. Let me open that. Maybe take my towels. I love my client I just had because we just like talk about life stuff and it's really nice. Yeah, let me just pick that up and then I will go home. Thank you. Alright. Got a smoothie. Okay, I got a spinach, pineapple, mango with whey protein smoothie for the after work snack.
Looked as bright as day, like a happy child of wishing